So I saw an interesting thing on X um, by benchrates.com. It says the top 10 NHL defensemen by um, goals for percentage 5-on-5 on November 6th. That's today, as we're recording this. Minimum 100 minutes. Number one, JJ Moser from the Lightning at 65.96. Number two is Sam Malinsky, the Colorado Avalanche, 64.96 goals for percentage. Number three, Cale Makar. Cale Makar has been an absolutely defensive machine this year for the Colorado Avalanche. An absolute defensive machine. He has been. I mean, you see it all the time, folks. It's Hall of Fame type play going on by Cale Makar, and it's going to continue that way. It really is. Number four, Devon Taves, 64.30. So three out of the top five players in the entire world of hockey, in the entire NHL, three out of those top five are Colorado Avalanche defensemen.